In this video, we'll discuss the uses and benefits of capers, a tasty but often overlooked food that can contribute to your overall health. What are capers? Capers are a versatile and flavorful food that can enhance a variety of dishes. Importantly, they are packed with nutrients and have shown potential anti-cancer properties. Let's delve deeper into this intriguing ingredient. Capers are commonly featured in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cuisine. They serve as a garnish for salads, an addition to sauces, and even a pizza topping. Some individuals even enjoy them as a raw snack. What are the health benefits of capers? Capers are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients. They provide vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, calcium, and iron. Furthermore, they are abundant in antioxidants, which play a crucial role in protecting the body from damage caused by free radicals. What makes capers particularly interesting for cancer prevention is their high content of a compound called quercetin, which we'll explore further when discussing their specific anti-cancer properties. For now, let's highlight some of the impressive overall health benefits of capers. Reducing inflammation, improving digestion, potentially lowering blood pressure, boosting immune system function. What makes capers a cancer-fighting food? As mentioned earlier, capers contain a high concentration of quercetin, a natural flavonoid also found in apples and buckwheat. Quercetin has potent anti-cancer properties, working by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and inducing programmed cell death, known as apoptosis. Studies have shown that quercetin can effectively inhibit cancer cell growth and trigger apoptosis, aiding in the natural elimination of cancer cells. In addition to quercetin, capers contain other beneficial compounds like rutin and kaempferol, both of which possess anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. Capers also provide a shield against free radicals due to their antioxidant content, reducing DNA damage and lowering the risk of cancer. In conclusion, capers aren't just delicious, they are natural weapons against cancer cells. Bursting with flavor and nutrients, they are all-in-one health heroes. With quercetin, rutin, kaempferol, and antioxidants, capers contribute to a lower risk of cancer and overall well-being. If you're eager to explore more natural ways to stay healthy, click the link in the show notes for our free anti-cancer workshop. Thank you for tuning in today, and remember, there are 99 more life-changing anti-cancer food videos waiting for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the most important wellness-related trends.